Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today in this video, we're going to use this thread and make keychain out of it. We're going to take a very thick thread. Now put it inside the key and then twist it and make a shape like this. Now remove the ends from the loop. Look how we're doing here in this video. After doing this, we're going to finally put it again at the center loop and then pull it tightly. Keep adjusting it by pulling it from the sides. We're going to make a ball shape here, so pull the thread tightly from the corners and look, your beautiful keychain is ready. You can cut the wrist part as well. Here we're going to fold this pink color of nylon thread and then we're going to make a design out of it. As you can see, we're going to make a loop and remove both the ends through the center part. You can see a small hole at the side, so remove both the ends through that hole and then we're going to put it on the top of the single hole like this. Tie a knot by putting it at the center part and pull it tightly and look, your design is ready. Here we're going to use this straw and make a beautiful design. You can see we're using this green color of thick nylon thread. So roll the thread on the top of the straw, then remove it from the center part of the straw. Look like this. Now we're going to use this button shape, or you can also say a pendant, and then we're going to remove other end of the thread as well. Remove the straw and look, tie a knot like we're doing here and it's ready. We're going to make flower shape using this yellow color of nylon thread. As you can see, we're going to tie one end of the thread and then using your finger we're going to keep rolling upon it, and you can see the loop. Remove your finger and we're going to tie a knot by pulling the thread and make a ring, and put the other end at the center part and tie a knot. It's ready. Here we're going to use 4 different color of nylon thread. As you can see, we're going to tie a knot using red and green color of nylon thread. Then we are going to add this purple color of nylon thread as well and tie a knot look like this. Finally, we're going to add one more color, that is the yellow one, and similar way we're going to make a mini square design by tying knot like this. Pull it tightly and it's ready. Now we're going to put the end of the yellow thread inside the green loop like this, and look, your beautiful and colorful design is ready. Pull all of them and it's done. Let's make beautiful design using this blue color of nylon thread. We're going to fold the nylon thread and make 2 holes. Remove one end through the hole and then pull them tightly. Continue doing this using the other end as well. We're going to make a ball design here. So pull it from all 8 sides one after another and your beautiful ball design is ready. You can use it for keychains or for so many other use as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.